what can you earn? That's a question. How do we get paid on this? So I'm gonna go over that as well. Oh, I have it right here. So just right over here. I'm gonna give you a little bit of an idea of how we get paid. This is our pay structure. Let's say, Mike, you get licensed and you have a client that is something like this. And they say, hey, you know what? I want to save $10 a day. Mike, this plan sounds great. Can you do this for me? We can get that done. They're saving $10 a day. How you calculate your commissions is you take the amount they're saving, 300 or whatever it might be, you multiply it by 12, that'll give you the yearly amount, and you multiply it by 1.5. The total will be 5,400. That is called points. Okay? Points equal dollars. That's what's coming into the organization. Okay? So a client like this, saving $300 a month, will pay out about $5,000 in commission. This is how the financial industry pays. They pay a lot up front. Okay? And every year the client is with you, you get renewals. Every time it renews. And now this goes to a company called World Financial Group. This is just a platform that you use to build your business. All they do is take care of payroll. I don't have to pay for Dune. It's already taken care of for me. They take care of everything. Now, in our company, there's different levels, different contract levels. The first contract level is training associate. And here we're earning 26%. 26% of $5,000 is going to be $1,300. Imagine you start working, you have one client in that month, and you earn an extra $1,300 on top of your paycheck. Pretty good. Next contract level, which we're going to help you get to, is associate contract level. Associate doesn't earn 26%, they earn 36%. It looks like a 10% raise, it's not a whole lot, but look at how big the difference is. 36% of $5,000 is $1,800, almost $2,000. You get a $500 raise. Marketing director is our next position. At 51%, you earn $2,550. That's a $750 raise. That's massive. And of course, senior marketing director, our highest position. And here you earn 66%. And 66% of 5,000 is $3,300. This is you getting licensed, doing things on your own with your own pen and so on. But remember, you can build an organization here. You can build your own company here. And I'll give you an example of what that looks like. Let's say you are a marketing director, Mike. 3, 4, 5 months down the line, you're a marketing director and you have 3 licensed associates in your organization. These guys, I want to make clear, they don't work for you. They work for themselves, but you get a benefit as well. Okay? So I'll give you an example over here. Let's say all 4 of you help just 2 people in a month. Not 1, 2. Remember, 1 was 5,000 in production, 2 is going to be 10,000. So let's first calculate your paycheck, Mike. You're a marketing director, you did 10K in production. You have 2 clients that month. 10K, your contract level is 51%. 51% of 10K is going to be $5,100. That month, you made over $5,000 with your own pen. But remember, these guys are working. They're not working for you. They're working for themselves. But remember, this one did 10, this one did 10, this one did 10. Your total production from your organization is 30. How much of that are you going to get paid? That's a question. You're at 51%. They are at what? 36. The difference between 51 and 36 is 15%. Mike, that will come to you as a override. 15% of 30K is $4,500. That is your passive income. Passive income, you earned $4,500 that month. You add these 2 up, that month you made over $9,600. And per year, you're over $100,000. Now, the 2 questions are here. Number 1, do the products make sense? Makes a lot of sense. I think everybody needs a product like this. I believe anyone that has a bank account should have a UL account too. That's how important I think it is. The second question is, can you do this? And the answer is a big yes. Because you're not doing it alone. We're here to train you. We're here to help you. So, Mike, today, you registered for the license. You already passed your first exam, which is amazing. And you understood two things. You understood the product side. Roughly, what is a product? It may still be vague to you, but remember, as you learn more, as you see the software, you're going to learn more and more about the product. The second thing you learn is the potential of earning. Remember this, yes, we get paid well, but what you do for the client is far more beneficial to the client than anything you'll ever get paid here. Remember, for the client, what did we do for them? In their future, we put ahead $500,000. By the way, that $500,000 was based on what percent?
6%.
If the market returns 10%, that $500,000 is not going to remain $500,000. That $500,000 can be $700,000, $800,000, $900,000 for their retirement. So that's very important, helping people understand these concepts. Mike, your first few appointments, you're not going to do them by yourself. That's something I want to mention. Your trainer will help you. It's either going to be me or Ferdun or Juliana, one of us will help you, okay? Your job during those appointments is just to make notes. You're learning and you're making notes. Hey, Parm started like this. This is what he said. Oh, they asked him this question. This is how he responded. So the next month, there's two things you're going to focus on. Number one is license, getting your license. Number two is learning the products and learning the presentation. That's all you're going to do. By the end of the month, you're going to be very good on the product side, and you'll possibly be licensed as well. Maybe it'll take a month and a half to get the license, going through provincials and so on. But once you are licensed, look at what the paycheck can be. Without a doubt, you can do very, very well. Next time we meet, I'm not going to go over more, but next time we meet, I'm going to show you how to get your promotion to associate. You're studying for your license, you're going to get your promotion as well. And then we're good to go. And right when you start off, your first paycheck will not be the $1,300, it'll be $1,800. You get a $500 raise. And we're good to go, okay? So was that clear so far?
Yes.
It makes sense.
Yes, it does.
Perfect. So our client process is 3 steps and 3 steps only. We educate, we collect their data, and then we provide a solution. That's it. That's all we do, okay? And then this is the pay structure. This is how we get paid. These are the shirts that we have as well. We'll go over these some other time. But what's important is right here. Now, Mike, you might have a question when you do start. What do I need to learn? There's so much, right? I got to learn the products, do the license. I want to learn the presentation. I'll keep it very simple for you, what you need to learn. All you need to learn are 2 things. Number 1 is the step 1 presentation. Step 1 presentation is the one that we first did when I showed you our business, and we did it today as well. Okay? That's all you need to learn. The second thing you need to learn is the financial education process. I just showed you that. You learn these 2 things, 80% of the business is done. That's it. In my business, I try to keep things as simple as possible. Because if I was new in the business, I want things to be simple too. Because the simpler it is, the easier it is for me to learn. Right? So that's it. Just these 2 things you're going to learn and focus on license, and you're good to go. And we are pretty much good to go. When you are licensed, you're going to get all of these documents. So I'll give it to you on a disk drive. You'll have all of the documents. You can practice. You can go over the presentation and so on. Just for now, you have the notes for ethics. Study those, and then you'll be ready for the exam as well. Okay? So clear? Good?
Good.
Awesome. Let's rock and roll. You're going to do great.
Cool.
Awesome.